I rap, I write poems, like I do lots of arts.
Hey, I'm a photographer and I'll ask you a few questions and take a few photos. Do you mind?
No, it's no problem.
What's your name?
I'm Nana.
Where are you from?
I'm from like small town in Hessen, near Frankfurt.
And what do you do?
Like I rap, I write poems, like I do lots of arts, tattooing, music.
Do you think you're influenced by hip hop?
Yeah, I would say so.
Who's your favorite artist?
Oh, my favorite artist, Tyler the Creator.
Do you have a favorite track?
Currently, it's from the Glitter, Summer Boy.
Do you remember your first hip hop memory?
For the first time, when my friend got her CD and we like listening to Candy Shop by 50 Cent, even though we were like way too young to understand anything. So we're just like vibing out.
Thank you.
No problem. You're welcome.